Let's go to document 47, where the government talks about building 7 and admits it went down in free fall. Well, free fall means it was demoed. That's just another word because it defies physics. The only way a building can fall in free fall is to remove all resistance.
Governor, I was there.
And so therefore,
all
resistance
I watched the plane fly into the building, the second plane fly into the building.
No, building 7 didn't have a plane.
Allow me to finish. I watched the buildings burn for 104 minutes. I watched them come down, Governor, and I waited, and we waited, and everyone wanted to know what was going to happen with building 7. Everyone down there, we were all down there wondering, is 7 coming down? There was a rumor that the Brooks Brothers building was going to come down too. If you know anything about the World Trade Center, underneath the World Trade Center was cavernous. It was a mall. You could walk literally between all the buildings. So when the pile came down, it took the structural integrity out of the bottom of 7 and Brooks Brothers and the other one. It escapes me right now.
It still wouldn't fall free fall. Because that defies physics. Free fall means it's like it fell as fast as me jumping out of an airplane before I pull my chute.
Of course,
no
you would
resistance.
Fall the same rate as a bowling ball out of an airplane or a penny out of the airplane.
Then you're arguing against physics, my friend, and you can't do it.
Listen.
And then the second building collapses. He came back 20 minutes later, looking like a Three Stooges movie covered in plastic. I swear to God. But he got a good thing, Rick. That's some good shit. Then we went back there.
Whoa!